full screen. Yeah, great. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Iva Vidor, and I lead the FanDome FRM team from Tel Aviv, a walking distance from the Maccabi Tel Aviv Arena. Everybody knows that the heart of every sport organization in the world is its fans. They live from game, They live from game to game and infuse clubs, teams, and players with hope, motivation, and satisfaction. Today, we are about a year and a half into the COVID-19 world pandemic and the social distancing, and stadiums are empty or almost empty for months to come in many parts of the world. Sport clubs have to adapt themselves to the situation and get to know their fans. They have to start collecting and centralizing all fans' data in a single place, have tools to know their fans better, and of course, to monetize the asset of fans. Fans are still here. They were invisible for some time, but they are still here. And clubs, need to start collecting their data from all the touch points with the club, marketing platforms, match tickets, season tickets, hospitality, etc. Centralize all the data in a single place and create one holistic CRM and database. FanDome is such a solution. FanDome centralizes all assets of fans in a single place from all touch points connected to neighboring systems using API connections, creating a full detailed personal and behavioral profile of a fan, and most important, unlocks club value to sponsors and advertisers. FanDome is most work done in front of a single screen that populates all fans' data divided in two subjects. The user can see fan history and his value in one place, as well as his place in the arena. FanDome has got a very powerful BI and BI to marketing capabilities, enabling targeted, personalized communication with the fans. The system can be used by small clubs as well as big clubs, organizations such as the Euroleague or other league management or organizations, universities, and colleges as well. FanDome was developed and tested in collaboration with two clubs, the Maccabi Tel Aviv from Tel Aviv and the Olympia Ljubljana. And we would be very happy to continue and deploy the FanDome platform into other clubs in the Euroleague. And also, we would like very much to share our knowledge and experience with the league itself. FanDome is offered to the clubs as a SaaS software solution, free consultation and explanations, one-time project setup costs, a reasonable monthly fee, and of course, we add additional professional services to each and every one that needs it. Thank you. I'll be more than happy to answer questions now.
Thanks, Ziv.
Hi, Ziv.
Hi.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Luis.
Could you tell us a little bit how you distinguish yourself from all the other companies that are trying to do the same, right? Because of course you pick up the right points, that it's made, with clubs, for clubs, and I understand that, but could you get a little bit more in detail how you see yourself competing in this, very difficult landscape?
Yes, this is a very difficult landscape because we can find ourselves head-to-head with Microsoft Dynamics CRM or Salesforce or teams like that, very powerful, big organizations, but, and there is a big but, they are not suitable or suited themselves to small and medium clubs, and even the bigger ones Our solution was developed for about 3-4 years in collaboration with several sport clubs, and we implemented exactly the needs that they presented to us. They don't have to need all the rest of the CRM systems. They're focusing on the individual information that you can collect and then analyze. Using that and using the other tools that we have developed within the system, the marketing automation and the segmentation and BI, that separates us with a reasonable setup price in comparison to much bigger sums of money that are needed by these organizations.
So you basically, cost is your weapon, right?
Not just the costs, the know-how, the very quick setup period, the very intuitive and easy to use system. We are really focused on the needs of the club. You know that the people that are working in the club are very focused on what they have to do. They've got multiple jobs because of the slim organization of sport clubs. So it has to be a very simple, easy to use and very focused system. All work is done by the users in front of a single screen when they are working, and the BI and the BI capabilities and the BI to smart marketing is the other side of the marketing management and the management of the club themselves. So price, yes, easy to use, short setup fee and short setup period, and the friendliness of the system and the 24/7 support that we supply with it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Luis.
Can you speak to what integrations you have in place? I think a key element of any CRM platform is other tools that you're already using that it could integrate with to solve sort of core business use cases.
Okay. The API connections integrations that we have with ticketing systems, like not Ticketmaster, but the Tel Aviv company. We've got integrations with Fortress for the access control system, the MailChimp, MailJet as the dissemination platforms, with the ski data of the Southern European for access control and the marketing solutions. We've got other ticketing system like Mój Kartę from Slovenia, and we've got others like Toptics from the Tel Aviv, and we're working now on additional ones that hopefully we're going to have with Ticketmaster or maybe Eventim.
Great, thanks.
And by the way, we have created a full layer that supports the API connections, because the data we are collecting is very different from the regular things that everybody collects.
Great, Ziv. So if there are no more questions, we'll move on to the next one. Thank you, Ziv.
Thank you very much.